Good morning. So today we are going to discuss about demand. What is demand? Demand is the quantity of goods which buyer desires, is able and willing to buy at a given price and at given point of time. So here this rounded, you can see the circles I had made. These are the most important for to define a demand. When buyer is desired, able and willing at a particular price and particular time, then it is known as demand. So now we are discussing factors affecting demand. So there are so many factors which affect the demand. The first and foremost important factor that affect the demand, that is a price. You can see price. As the price increases, demand decreases, and as price decreases, demand increases. So for an example, if a particular price of any good, you can take a mobile phone. So if price of mobile phone highs, demand decreases of particular that mobile. Okay, and vice versa. Second, population and age group. Any product is depend on the which age group. For an example, if the young generation, the youth needs an internet connection, mobile phone, so demand of that product is high. Older people are not getting used to of that. If we talk about more than 60 years, so their demand is different. So thus population and age group depends. Next is income of consumer. If one person earn in a home, then what happens? That income is distributed among that all the family members. So according to that, one will go to spend they decide their expenditure. So this is what income of consumer effect on the demand. If I am earning 18,000 and I am alone, there is to use that income, then my demand will be different. And if I have with this income, I have to other 3 members are dependent on me, then we are 4 members to use that 18,000. So then my demand is also different. Next is taste and preference of the customer. How taste and preference of the customer, that we discuss in the class, that you all are using different smartphones as per your preference. Someone will like Vivo, some like Oppo. So thus it will affect the demand. Next is price of related goods. How price of related goods affect the demand? See, tea and coffee are the alternate. Substitute product means alternate which can be used in behalf of other. So if price of my other related goods is decreases, then my demand will decrease of the goods which is having high price. So अगर टी की price ज़्यादा है, people will prefer coffee. Okay, and if price of coffee is high, then people will prefer tea. Thus, this is a substitute product. Next is a complementary goods. You can say which is necessary with and which is not possible without the other. See, if you are having a bike, you need a petrol. So demand of petrol depends on the bike. Okay. Another example, mobile phone and SIM card. Okay. Moving further towards the law of demand. Law of demand says that if all the other factors which affect the demand are remains constant, then consumer will buy more goods when the price of particular goods is low, and consumer buy less goods when the price is high. Okay, so it states that there is an inverse relationship between price and goods. Price rise, demand decrease, and price decrease, demand increase. Okay, now here we are taking one example. For a particular price, goods X, price is 10 rupees, 20, 30 and 40, and at a particular price demand is 100, 80, 60 and 50 respectively. So if we plot a diagram, if we plot a graph, you can see, we can see downward slope can be made as a demand curve. This is called a demand curve, which is a downward slope. As price increases, demand is decreasing, and as demand decreases, it will move towards the left side, and as demand increases, it will move to the right side. Moving on to our next topic, that is individual demand and market demand. What is individual demand? Individual demand means by a person, single person, whatever commodity is desired. Okay, so here we can see demand of particular product for A is 100, 80, 60 and 50. Customer B 150, 100, 80, 70 and C, so 120, 100, 90 and 60 at the particular price 10, 20, 30 and 40. So these all are the individual, this is the individual demand for A, and this is the individual demand for B and individual demand for customer C. And what is market demand? Market demand is the summation of the all individual demand. So here market demand will be calculated as demand of customer A, demand of customer B and demand of customer C. So that's why here we can see 100 plus 150 plus 120, 370, 280, 230 and 180 at the respective price of 10, 20 and 30, 40. So this is market demand. Our next topic is expansion of and contraction of demand and increase decrease in the demand. When we can say there is an expansion and contraction of demand takes place, so it is when there is a change in a price, and due to the change in price, demand of any particular goods is increase or decrease, that is called as an expansion and contraction. If price increases, then demand will decrease. Then if demand is decreasing, then we know it as a contraction. And if price decreases, demand increases, then we can say it is an expansion. And increase and decrease in demand, when the other factors are changing and due to that change in demand can be seen, then it is known as increase in the demand. Increase or decrease in the demand takes place.